Chair yoga for weight loss and flexibility. Welcome to Chair Yoga, a gentle way for seniors to lose weight and improve flexibility. Chair yoga is perfect for all fitness levels, especially seniors looking for a safe workout. Starting with deep breaths helps to center your mind and relax your body before movement. Seated side bends stretch the torso, improving flexibility and easing tension in the back. Leg extensions strengthen the legs without straining joints, aiding in mobility and balance. Mindful breathing is key in chair yoga, enhancing lung capacity while promoting relaxation. Seated twists improve spinal flexibility and can aid digestion, making movement easier. Reaching for your toes, even from a chair, can stretch the hamstrings and lower back. After your session, you may feel lighter and more flexible, encouraging a regular practice. Remember, chair yoga is a journey. Embrace it for well-being, weight loss, and flexibility.